Today we are studying Topic 7.3. Please write the objective. Today I will use number sense and estimation to determine where to place the decimal point when dividing with decimals in your math spiral now. Connect to what you know. When dividing, if the divisor is greater than the dividend, what do you know about the quotient? For example, the divisor is 5 and the dividend is 2. The quotient is less than 1. So when dividing, the divisor is greater than the dividend, the quotient will always be less than 1. Here's another example. The divisor is 2 and the dividend is 1. The quotient is less than 1. So when dividing, if the divisor is greater than the dividend, the quotient will always be less than 1. Pose the problem. Set A. Think about the size of the divisor and dividend to decide where to put the decimal point in the quotient. Okay, if I look at the regular number, it's 12. And I have a 4 right here divided by 4. So I know that 12 divided by 4 will give me 3. So I'm going to place my decimal right here. Now, I know this says 63 divided by about a half. Well, 63, okay, divided by a half, so that means there's going to be twice as many. So that's about 120 something. So I know it's not 1, not 2, but 121 is about right. So I'm going to put it right there. Okay, in this case, I have a divisor and a dividend, and my divisor is greater than my divisor, sorry, right here, 31 hundredths, is greater than my dividend, so I know that this is less than 1, so it's got to be 81 hundredths. Okay, now I look at set B. It says use number sense to write a decimal that makes each statement correct. There is more than one possible answer for each exercise. Well, 95 hundredths is about 1, so 1 times what would give me 5. So 5 divided by about 1 gives me 5. So that's correct. Okay, on this one, I'm going to think this is about 15, or I could think about 14. And I'd say, what is half of it? So I know I'm going to have to double it, so I'm going to go ahead and put either 28 or 30. So I guess I'll go in the middle and just write 29. And it's about half of 29. And on this one, 2.5, I could say this is about 2. So what divided by 2 gives me 20? Well, that answer would be 40. Or if I decided that 2.5 is about 3, what divided by 3 gives me 20? And that'd be 60. So anywhere between 40 and 60 is a good estimate. Now it's your turn. Please follow the directions here, and of course do your self-assessment. Here's the self-assessment.